Marioka mega yabarai bo mabwege siasa balia balinda mwananchi kosaga no abegu asomo sangerikano obo ime Ense moye county Homabe nigobono mokonyi bumuragwe kyama keria gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'I esokire na kwikira boro egakore ikyo yakorokareteri tkuregoro kokwana nabari kyamangana mayi Matiang'I nigobona mochiri muragwe Ense Dr. William Ruto asekiringa niga Osinyirwe Konyeraa Ense ya Kenya na likali yaye niga chorere kweneke chisegi chege siasa.
We have spoken about these things for a while, but it's now abundantly clear that the president and his government have chosen violence as a weapon for political survival and as a weapon for political engagement. And I'm not going to start where usually people start with these tired cliches about condemning the strongest terms possible. We ask for action. I'm not going to go that direction, because what we are dealing with is abundantly clear to all of us that we have come to a point where certain serious conversations must happen in this country and choices must be made. This is not rocket science. You don't need green geophysics to see what is going on in the country. This weekend alone, from the stoning incident in Mulot that affected my two vehicles, to the stoning incident in Nakuru Town West that affected DCP leaders, and then Salga, and then yesterday in Homa Bay. It's so clear to everyone that, one, there's a pattern to this. Second, there's very clear questions of government in this, because you look at the behavior of the security forces on this matter. And three, you can see, blatantly, a case of, determination on the part of government to engage in this